About to make me a workbench, y'all. Kind of got tired of working out the back of my truck, so I'm gonna just record a couple of the steps and make this thing quick. That part wasn't too bad. I had to push it from the back of the truck here. I marked it, just kept it in a straight line. This DeWalt table saw. I did an opening of it, but it only opens up for the rip of I think it's 32, 33 inches. I'm making this 36 by 8 feet. So, all right, let's see, y'all can see. It's framed out. Framed the inside of it out. Right now I'm mounting my wheels, my wheel blocks. I'm gonna make this table about like I'm gonna make this workbench about like 37 inches high, about a little taller than my waist. This is what our underside looks like. So, yeah, this is what our underside looks like. This is gonna be our bottom tray area. All right, let me go ahead and finish working. Just taking a couple of progression photos, getting ready to tie in my 4x4s, cut those 30 inches high, connect those to the top table, getting ready to set it onto the bottom shelf. Keeping everything moving, that's all. Everything looking good. Mounting my vise on it. I'm hitting it with the sander, so we don't get too many splinters. Rub it on this thing. Frame the underside carriage. These wheels have brakes on them. They're rated at 350 pounds of wheel. So I'm gonna run back to the store, get 2 more for the center, so it'll be 6. Just sanding everything down real good, making sure we don't get any splinters and stuff in our hands while we're working. We should be working with gloves. I did use a T-square to make sure the top and the bottom shelf are lined up, because the support joists are off-centered a little bit. I'm going to go to the store, get some poly, put 3 coats on there so it can withstand the elements of moisture, oil, spray, anything that I'm using while I'm working, just to make it live longer. So, check me out, y'all. This my finishing product. Boom, boom, boom. Got the workbench in the shop going on. Got some projects. Get a little power up to it. Everything is on wheels. And that's it. Got the hookah burning. Don't forget to hit that sub, y'all. Hit that sub, tap in, show the love, man.